This Weathersmith update is sponsored by our friends at Alliance Maintenance.
Good Friday night, everybody. Friday, June 12th, 9:30 p.m. Welcome to Weathersmith. Let's do this. Let's do the weather. All right, looking at current temps, 70s, 80s in some spots. Feels like temperatures. Everybody's in the 80s, even some really close to 90 out there. Kind of yuck. Winds kind of just stale at the moment, so everything's under 10 miles per hour. We're really going to focus on severe weather with this video, looking at today's outlook. Marginal risk to the north, northern counties has not budged since noon today. Really not anticipating much. Tomorrow is going to be the crazy day. Enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow with tornado threats. We've got wind threats 70 to 80 miles per hour. Yeah, you heard that right, 70 to 80 miles per hour. Hail, we'll probably see $half golf ball, maybe even lime-sized hail, especially in the dashed area, the significant area. So just a heads up. All right. One last thing, excessive rainfall outlook. Here is today's. Higher risk as you work your way north. Tomorrow, everybody's in the slight risk outside of Jasper County and Crawford County and Labette County. It's moderate. We don't see that all that often, guys. We don't see that all that often. All right, let's go through the model here. Let's switch over. All right. So playing this through for tonight, not much going on. We got some scattered stuff, but I don't think we're really going to see that. Severe weather focused out to our west tonight. Not worried really about this impacting us until tomorrow morning. This is 6 a.m. We start seeing that front work its way into the area. We got scattered stuff up southwest Missouri, and then the stuff between Tulsa and kind of Dallas area. All right. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9, 10, 11, noon. Fantastic Saturday. Outside of it's hot and muggy, nasty, it's decent. All right. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. We start seeing supercells develop central Missouri all the way down to north of Little Rock. That should stay east of 65. Should stay east of 65. All right, nothing really going on. This is 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock across the local area. Not much going on. We're starting to see organized event that's going to develop off of I-35, really between Wichita and Topeka as we work into the evening. So this is 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. There we go. Now we're starting to really talk severe weather. Area I'm focused with is the complex along the Kansas-Missouri line. That is pushing almost directly south. And then we've got these bands of discrete supercells inside this QDLS. So, or not QDLS, the squall line essentially. All right. So this is 9 p.m., 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, midnight. This is really dancing across almost the whole northern portions of the viewing area. What I am seeing is a whole lot of wind with this on top of a lot of rain. Yes, we got some individual areas, so definitely some hill areas, maybe some isolated tornadoes. But a lot of this is a lot of bowing segments and a lot of high wind. So 70, 80 mile per hour, definitely a possibility. All right, midnight, 1 a.m., 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, 9, 10 o'clock Sunday morning. Okay? Well, let's look at total amounts of precip. So it doesn't look all that extreme. And the model's really good at doing this. What I'm worried about is everybody's already saturated. We've got a lot of water. Adding 2 inches, if we have a few cells that train, look at that, like Girard, 2.5. We've got El Dorado Springs area, 4.5. If we have any training, you're going to see flash flooding quite critical. So that's why ERO has Southwest Missouri in red. So just a heads up, not just severe weather. We're actually looking at flood potential. All right, that is all I wanted to go over. I went well over the 3 minutes, so this is definitely not a short tonight. I just wanted to break it all down for everybody so we all know what to expect. So tomorrow we will have a decent day. I don't anticipate any storms during the daytime. Sorry, I just got sidetracked there. For some reason, the server's acting up now. Yay! There we go. Tomorrow, Saturday, 87 for Southwest Missouri, 88 Southeast Kansas, 91 for Northeastern Oklahoma. Heat indices 97, 98, almost 100 in some spots. And then Saturday, Sunday, showers, thunderstorms for everybody. But notice Sunday and Monday, look at those temperature drops. Fantastic, right? POP for the next 10 days, Saturday, Sunday's the top. Then it really drops out Monday, Tuesday, and we start getting back into some rhythms, I would say Thursday. Looking at temperatures, looks like Wednesday next week is when we'll start returning to the hot weather. But it's still relatively nice out, 86, 83, 81 for Thursday, so not bad there. Allergies, look at this. It's just miserable out there. And then looking at the pressure, just because we've got so many systems moving through, it's not friendly for anybody. All right, that's enough for tonight. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share the channel, get the name out. I'm trying to grow the audience. Have a fantastic night. I'll talk to you all tomorrow morning. It will probably be 8 o'clock. Well, I'll force myself to do an 8 o'clock video tomorrow morning, and we'll go over everything, all the updates from overnight. All right, have a good night.